guys, I'm Liz, and today we're going to be comparing Ipsy versus BoxyCharm. So, if you would like to see what I got in this month's box, then keep on watching. Let's start with our BoxyCharm. Okay, so I got version 1. I don't know if you can see that. So this month's theme is El-Natural. I can't pronounce that. Okay, so we got some cute Luxie brushes. So this is what they look like. So it's a foundation brush, a blending brush, and a precision crease. I really like this one. I don't think I'm gonna give any use to this one. Maybe I could use it for mask. And talking about mask, the next item is this Element Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And let's see. Next we got this Appeal Gel Liner in a turquoise shade. Let's actually open this. Oh wow. So that's the shade. It's very creamy. I like it. Then we have this lippy. There you go. It's a lip gloss. All this time I thought it was, I saw the sneak peeks, and all this time I thought it was a matte lipstick. We got this in the shade Coqueta. I really like it. There's definitely pigment in there. Okay, and the last thing, we got a Butter London palette. This is what it looks like. Let's take that out. So I actually have two. So this thing came off. So I also have this one. So this is the one that I am going to use because I already used the brown in it. So we can swatch this one, and the other one I'll be gifting it away. So if you did not get your hands on this month's box, then you can comment down below your favorite thing to do on a Sunday. I'm recording this on a Sunday, so I don't know. I think I'll go up on Wednesday. What's your favorite thing to do on a Sunday? So comment the heart emoji, and then what's your favorite thing to do on a Sunday? And then I'll be choosing one person that'll be getting this Butter London palette, along with maybe some other goodies that I have in my boxes. Okay, so let's see. I need a wipe piece. I can wipe these swatches. And then, excuse this face, I actually got my nose piercing re-pierced about a month and a half earlier, and so I think that the makeup might have caused some type of irritation on it, so I'm getting that ugly bump, and I'm trying to take care of it. So I'm not gonna be putting makeup for like a week or so, depending on how long it takes for it to heal. So yeah, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup. Just some mascara, some black eyeshadow as eyeliner, and my eyebrows. So, and I think I put, oh no, I put some water cream, some moisturizer, just to hydrate my face. Okay, so now with the swatches. So the name of the palette is Natural Goddess. Focus. There you go. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna go in with Enchantress. Then Queen. Oh wow, Queen is beautiful. And then Diva. Oh, Diva is beautiful. So I think I got all of the shade, all of the shimmers. So we got Enchantress, Queen, Star, and Diva. Diva reminds me of like a pumpkin-y color. There you go. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. So now we're gonna swatch the two mattes. At the top, Temptress, and then at the bottom, Femme Fatale. I did a Kylie review on her summer palette yesterday. That's probably gonna go up before this one if I decide to put it up. The palette, which I still have somewhere here. Where are you, palette? Is this one that's goes in here. Well, I don't know where the palette went, but I know it's this one, the summer one. Does it even have a name? Well, I didn't really know how to feel about it because I feel like it's the same as this type of palette where you only have like two shades to do transitions, and then everything else is like eye toppers or shimmers, which you could do some type of look just with that, but it's not very artistic. That's what I'm trying to say. But it's a good palette to have. You definitely can do a lot more looks with if you had like a different palette where you have a lot more transition shades. So it's like we got this one in a Boxy Luxe, I believe in December, and this one has a lot more transition shades. So if you got this palette, then you can definitely use these two palettes in combination and do a really nice look. So the next box is going to be our Ipsy bag. So let's open it. Okay. So this is what the bag looks like, or the box, sorry. So the theme is Dive In. And so let's see what we got. Let's start on with my add-ons first. So I got this one, which is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I believe I also got this Smashbox lipstick. There you go. And this Smashbox Step by Step contour palette. This is my favorite contour Smashbox, I should say, because it's not this one, but I believe it's the same color. So those were my add-ons, and I believe I paid $12 for this one, $12 for this one, and $3 for this one. So this was in the shade Babe Alert. So we can swatch this one. It's really cute. So the first item that I got is this Pixie Glow Mist. I got a second box, so I got a second of them. So I'm going to put one aside with the Button London one. And this will go together. To one of you, remember, all you have to do is just comment the heart emoji and what is your favorite thing to do on a Saturday. It could be with anyone, okay? And the next thing that we got is this Touch and Soul Waterful Glow Cream. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. Reminds me of little unicorns. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells delicious. So let's try it on my hand because I already have the water cream on my face. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like skincare. I like it. Okay, let's see. The next thing that I got is this Superhero It Mascara. I already have a lot of them. It's smart that it's not for individual sale. I got a lot of these ones on a BoxyCharm and they weren't marked as that, but that's okay because I really liked it. If there are my three favorite mascaras are Thrive Cosmetics, which is I think my #1 favorite mascara, then it will be Better Than Sex, and then this one. But any mascara honestly does the job. Today I used Smashbox. So today I use Full Exposure and Milani's Length and Seconds. So today I use this too. I think it gave me length. It's fine. Okay, so the next thing that we got, we're getting a little bit off topic. Okay, the next thing that we got is this Naked Cosmetics. Okay, so it's a 4-piece pigment set. Okay. So this is like multi-purpose pigments that could be used as eyeshadow, as highlight. You could also put them in your nail polish. So pretty cool. And the last thing is this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. So let's see what shade this is in. Okay, so this is Pink Sands Edition. And this is Bronze Sands Edition. So I got this one in the first box. This one in the second box. So that's it, guys. Comment down below what your favorite item of the boxes this month was. Which one was your favorite? Was it either BoxyCharm or Ipsy? Personally, I can't really decide. I feel like both of the boxes had a really good theme this month. But I feel like I've gotten better BoxyCharms in the past. So I think this month I'll say that my favorite one was Ipsy Glambag Plus, only because there were a lot of items that I had not tried before, like the Pixie. I never tried the Huda palette. I was really waiting for this to come out in a full size for a long time. We got a mini one in a Glambag back in like August, and I was really hoping they will bring it back, because I'm not the type of person that goes out and spends $24 on a mascara. I'll spend $24 on other things, but not a mascara. So yeah, regarding the brushes, I feel like we gotten a lot better brushes. I just feel like this blending brush is a little too big for my eyes. Like, it could get really messy, but you could really use it just to blend out at the top. I feel like we gotten this type of brush before, so it's really nothing new. So yeah, so remember that I am giving away this Butter London and Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. So remember, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below of what is your favorite thing to do on a Sunday. And make sure you leave a heart emoji. So you guys have a whole week to enter. And enter as many times as you want. You can leave as many comments as you want. That is a wrap for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy comparing the Glambag Plus and the BoxyCharm. If something, I feel like this is my favorite video to do. I know that I didn't post one for June. I did record it, but it was too late in the month, so there wasn't really much time for you guys to see the comparison and for you guys to decide if you wanted to join. So the reason why I do it is so that you guys can check it out, see pros and cons, and see if you want to get this month's box or not, or the next month's. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell notification. I would really appreciate it. Make this family grow, and grow. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Liz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!